guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Ariana. And for today's vlog, ang gagawin natin ay i-review natin yung mga human nature product na by Human Nature products sa website nila, which is humanheartnature.com, or sa mga supermarket like Robinsons. What I love about Human Nature products are their products do not contain harmful chemicals like paraben, synthetic fragrances, and other toxic chemicals. The first item that I got is Human Nature Nourishing Facial Wash in Tomato, and ito yung itsura niya. This is for mild and gentle care for delicate to normal skin. This product promises to strengthen skin and keep it healthy looking with antioxidant tomato and natural mild moisturizer. So, ginagamit ko to in the morning and in the evening. So, direction for use is shake well before use, massage a button-size amount onto wet face, and wash thoroughly. Use twice a day with our Nourishing Face Toner. So, after mo gamitin to, mapapansin mo yung softness ng face mo, and 2 weeks ko na siyang ginagamit and napansin ko na walang bagong pimples na tumutubo and hindi siya nag-cause ng irritation sa face ko, which is good for sensitive skin and acne-prone skin, and also nawala yung mga parang roughness or magaspang sa face ko. So this product costs 79 pesos only in 50 ml, and ganito yung itsura niya. Para lang siyang water. Ayan. And yung scent niya is sobrang mild and water-based kasi siya, kaya walang matapang na amoy. The that I've got is Human Nature Nourishing Face Toner in Tomato, 100 ml, and this costs 99 pesos only. So, after mo mag-facial wash, gamitin mo yung toner na to twice a day din, and alam naman natin na hindi lahat nakukuha yung dirt kapag sa facial wash lang or sa mga cleansing water, makeup remover. Kaya kapag nag-toner ka, feel mo sobrang linis na ng face mo. Nakukuha niya lahat yung dirt. And this product promises to help soothe your skin from environmental damage and keep it healthy looking with antioxidant tomato and mild moisturizer that keep delicate skin supple without the sting. Tapos, ganun din siya, shake well before use, and lagyan mo lang ng konti yung cotton ball. Ganito yung itsura niya. Para lang siyang tubig, and ang maganda dito is alcohol-free siya, and yung amoy niya is kagaya lang siya nung Human Nature na facial wash, pero mas mild yung scent niya, and wala siyang yung parang chemical na amoy, kasi yun nga, yung Human Nature product is natural yung mga ingredients. And then yung maganda dito is yung expiration date niya is nasa cup. Ito kasi nabura na kasi mas una ko tong ginamit, and konti na lang yung laman niya. Maraming products si Human Nature, like meron din siyang makeups and baby products, not only for skincare. And maganda dito is local sila, kaya let's support local brand, and sobrang mura ng mga products nila. So far, itong dalawang products lang muna ang ginagamit ko. Tinigil ko yung mga ibang products na ginagamit ko para makita ko yung tunay na resulta ng mga product nito, and I can say yes! So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below kung meron kayong suggestions. Thank you!